So let's discuss about another important concept regarding speed and velocity, that is average speed and average velocity. So what do you mean by average speed? Here I have considered one example. Here a car is moving through a distance of, or a car is covering a distance of 420 meter in 20 seconds. So what will be the speed of that car? Distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 420 and time is 20 seconds. 420 by 20, that is 21 meter per second is the speed of this car. Children, does it mean that car always travel with the same speed 21 meter per second throughout the journey? Can we say the car covers 21 meter in every 1 second? No, because the car may be moving faster initially, slows down in the middle, and then again speeds up. So this speed 21 meter per second does not imply that throughout the distance of 420 meter, the object moves with a constant speed of 21. So this speed, what we have calculated is average speed. So what do you mean by average speed? Average speed is defined as the total distance traveled by an object to the total time. This is average speed. Average speed is defined as, so this is the formula to find out average speed. What is the formula? Total distance traveled by an object by total time. Similarly, we can find out an expression for average velocity too. So what is average velocity? Average velocity will be total displacement. Here we can't use distance because velocity is a vector quantity. So average velocity is total displacement divided by total time. So here we have one more expression to find out average velocity, that is u plus v by 2, where u is the initial velocity of the object and v is the final velocity of the object. So this is also another expression to find out average velocity of an object, that is u plus v by 2. Now, let's discuss some more things in connection with average speed and average velocity. Suppose you are a car racer and you have won the race by covering a distance of 3200 meter in 5 minutes 20 seconds. So the total distance is 3200 meter, and what is the total time taken? Total time is, you have to find out total time in seconds. So 5 minutes 20 seconds will be, 5 minutes will be 5 into 60 seconds plus 20 seconds. 5 into 60 is 300. 300 plus 20 will become 320 seconds. So what is the total time taken? Yes, 5 minutes 20 seconds means it's 320 seconds. So what is the average speed here? Average speed is total distance by total time. What is the total distance? 3200. And what is the total time? 320. And what will be the speed? Average speed is 10. 10 meter per second. So 10 meter per second is the average speed of your car race. Now what will be the average velocity? See, average velocity is total displacement by total time. Total displacement by total time. Now what is the total displacement here? See, this is a circular track. This is the starting point, initial point. This is the final point itself. So when the initial and final points are the same, what will be the displacement? Yes, it will be 0. We have discussed it in the previous session. So it will be 0. So total displacement here is 0. Then what will be the average velocity? 0. Okay, so even if the object has got some average speed, its average velocity is 0. So do you think in any of the situations this average speed will be equal to average velocity? Let's see. Consider this case. Here car is moving through this path, and let this distance be 500 meter, and the car covers the distance of 500 meter in 5 seconds. Okay, so what is the average speed here? average speed is equal to total distance by total time. What is the total distance? 500. What is the total time? 5. So 100 meter per second. Okay, so that is the average speed. Now, what will be the average velocity here? Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. Here, what is the total displacement? Yeah, since it is a straight line path, total displacement will be the same, 500 itself. So 500 by 5, because the starting point of the car is A and the final point is B. What is the distance between B and A? It's 500. So again it is 100 meter per second. So this is average speed, this is average velocity, both are same. So there may be situations in which average speed can be equal to average velocity. And what is that situation? Yes, when the car travels or when the object travels along a same straight line path, or when the total distance traveled is equal to total displacement of an object, average speed of an object can be equal to average velocity. Okay, and do you know which instrument measures the distance traveled by an automobile? An instrument is fixed in the automobile to measure the distance traveled. Yes, it's odometer. Odometer measures the distance traveled by a vehicle, and similarly speedometer is there in automobiles. The speedometer measures the speed of the vehicle. Okay, children. So this is about average speed and average velocity. Average speed is total distance by total time. Average velocity equal to total displacement by total time. Children, that's all for today's session. Notes of the topic and a YouTube video have been uploaded. Download the notes file and learn it. Watch the YouTube video carefully so that the concepts will be much more clear to you. There's a small test. Attend the test seriously and post me the answers. I have noticed that some of the students didn't attend the test, so we can't encourage it. So please attend the test and post the answers quickly. We will meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.